right, guys, we have the 23rd hired request up today on the current list. It's Dance with My Father, Joe McElderry, new version. Look it up on YouTube and take a listen. That's what we're going from. Bar. All right. Hello, everyone. I am Shawn Cheek. Welcome to my easy piano lessons. I'm just going to stay seated today. Webpianoteacher.com is my website, and all the lessons for this are on the site, along with thousands of other lessons that I made over the past 12 and counting years. And let's get going here. This is not a beginner lesson, but it's not, really intermediate or advanced either. So very doable for a lot of you. F, C, D on the right hand. I'll start with, fingers 1, 3, and 4. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and kind of sneaks in. It's not real. It's kind of subdued. A little bit stronger after that. But the rhythm, you have the dash. So the dashes, remember, you hold a little bit longer, and then the curved lines are a little bit faster. Okay, so we have 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and on the and of 4 there at the end we have left hand F, finger 2 is what I'll use for that. So I can do a B flat octave on the next measure. So 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1. Now on the next measure we have a B flat chord, F, B flat, D, left hand on a B flat octave. So a lot of this is just being on a chord and then vamping on that chord. So 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and at the end of that measure you have a B flat. Alright, so you hear that rhythm, da, 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 da. That's over and over again. That's for a lot of it. So F, A, C on the right, and left hand A octave, or single A, probably works better because it's not too loud here to begin with. Okay. So F chord in the next measure, even though there's an A on the bass, it's still an F chord because you have F-A-C. So F-A-C in the right, A in the left. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and. Next measure. Now that is a tricky one to figure out as far as saying, what chord is that? It's an E flat 9 chord, E flat add 9. So you have E flat and then a ninth above, E flat is an F. Mix all those notes together. Besides the fact that E flat is not on the bottom, it's kind of a mystery chord. You got to kind of figure it out. E flat, F, B flat on the right. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. That measure, and then 1, and 2, and 3. A little bit of a fill there. Da 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 da. E flat, F, G, B flat on the right. Left hand on E flat. 1, 2, and. Be an F chord on the right, but still the E flat on the left. 1, 2, and. That is what I call a country third. G and C together with 2 and 5 flip to A, and then G and C to F. Bum, bum, bum. So it's 1 and 2 and 3. All right, let's keep going. This next measure is back to our B flat chord, F chord. Flat add 9 chord, 1, 2, and. So all of this is the same until you get to here. So 1 and 2 and that last little part, F, A, C, and that's different because it's leading us into D minor 7 in the next section. So right there it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now we have D minor 7, A, C, F in the right, left hand on a D. Same rhythm there. Some people like to think of the D minor 7 as an F chord on the right and a D in the left. And that's totally accurate. Now we have So G, B flat, E flat, G. If that's too many notes for you to play, just let go of that bottom one and play the top 3. It'll sound just fine. Left hand on E flat, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and. Now right here you need to put your 3rd finger on the F so that you can do E flat, G with 1, 2, 4. And then an A at the end. Hear that melody? Da, 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 da. So the measure is 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1. Now this is the big G flat there because it's an octave, and the littler G flats are just the thumb note. Okay, it's an E flat minor chord. E flat, G flat, E flat, G flat, B flat. The minor. So you have 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and here you have C, E flat, G flat, C. 1, 2, 3, 5, and then a G flat at the end. So 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and. Right now, there's a mystery chord. See if you can figure that one out. It's and you probably wonder, do I figure it out every time? No, I've played the chords so many times, they just, you know what they are. I don't have to figure them out anymore. But I used to, so, we all have to start somewhere. We all have to go through the same processes of learning. No shortcuts, really. That's why all these little shortcut methods as far as quick fix things that don't really stick, because you have to go through that process of learning. B flat, C, F, left hand on a D, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and. I didn't tell you what the chord was, did I? It's a B flat, add 9. So just like it was an E flat, add 9, B flat, D, F, and then a C on the top. It's hard because you don't have B flat on the bottom. You have D in the bass, so you it's kind of elusive there. You could also think of it as a suspended chord. B flat, C, F, suspended, that never resolves to A. But however you think of it to help you remember it, that's the key. That's why we talk about chords, because it helps us remember what to do. It kind of is a roadmap. Next measure, this is a cool chord. It's called an E half diminished. E, G, B flat, that's the diminished part. The D on the top is the half part. It's half diminished because it's not fully diminished. Fully diminished would be this. It's half diminished with a D. So it's 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and. Excuse me. Next measure, F chord, B flat, C, F in the right, left hand on an F. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. Go. And we start 1, 2, and 3. I'll save that for the next video because that's really a part 2 lesson. Why don't we go from the beginning all the way to there, okay? Ready and go. 1. One thing I forgot to tell you, look at that C there. It's so he plays a C there instead of a D on that part. It's kind of a hard reach though, isn't it? If it's too hard, just stick with the D. No one will call you out on it, I don't think. All right, so let's finish it on webpianoteacher.com. Hope you guys enjoyed that part 1, and we'll talk to you later.